Henry? Are you okay, boy? He didn't eat his food. Something is wrong.
Mom, why is Henry sleeping on the floor? Is Henry sick? He looks so weak.
What happened? Is he hurt?
I don't know. We need the vet, now.
Hold on, Henry. We're almost there.
Please, help our dog! Something is wrong!
Okay, let's take him to the back room.
Dad, will Henry be okay?
The doctor will take good care of him. Let's just wait.
His stomach feels hard. We need an X-ray.
Mom, why is it taking so long?
Doctors need time, sweetheart. Henry is strong. Wait, what is that? It looks like something metal? We found something inside Henry. He needs surgery. Surgery?
Is he gonna be okay?
He's strong. We will do our best.
Please, Henry, fight for us.
Let's begin. Stay calm, everyone.
I should have noticed sooner. I'm sorry.
Don't blame yourself. We're here now. Together. There it is, a solid mass. Let's get it out. A ring? He swallowed a ring? There's writing inside it. Let's clean it up. He's okay. The surgery went well. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is what he swallowed. Does this ring belong to you?
Yeah?
That can't be.
Sam? What's wrong? Do you know this ring?
This was my mother's ring. I lost it years ago.
Grandma's ring? How did Henry get it?
I lost it in the backyard. Before I proposed to your mom.
You told me you bought a new ring. You never told me this.
I was ashamed. I searched for weeks. I never found it.
Where is it? It has to be here. Henry! Come here, boy! Henry, wait! That's not a toy!
He's been keeping it safe this whole time.
All these years, he was carrying our story inside him.
So Henry is like a hero?
Yes, buddy. Henry has always been our hero.
You're gonna be okay, Henry.
He's resting now. You can see him in a few hours.
Ava, will you wear this ring? The one I always meant to give you? Finally. After all these years.
Yes, yes, of course.
Henry, you're awake.
Thank you for keeping our secret safe, boy. He's doing great. You can take him home tomorrow.
Tomorrow, buddy. Just one more day. This is the best day ever, even with the scary parts.
Some days remind you what really matters.
Look who's ready to go home. Give him rest. Short walks only. He'll heal fast.
Thank you, Doctor, for everything.
Careful, careful. Let him lie down nice and soft.
Almost home, Henry. Your bed is waiting.
Welcome home, Henry. There you go, buddy. Nice and comfortable. I saved this for you. Your favorite one. You're gonna feel so much better soon.
Dinner in 10 minutes, everyone!
Funny how one dog changed everything.
Henry's like part of the family story now.
He always was, Lily, just secretly.
Best mystery we ever solved.
Is Henry gonna be okay forever?
Yes, he is. As long as we take care of him, yes.
Forever.
Forever.